The humble envelope. When you're writing an address on an envelope, you can't get it wrong, can you? Or can you? In this Whiteboard Wednesday, I'm going to tell you exactly how to write an envelope and why it's important. This is an envelope. Now, when you write to me at my house and I pick this up off my doormat, I'm going to judge your agency by how you've written this envelope. Yes, I'm going to be looking at handwriting, but the most important thing, well, two most important things is one, has it got a stamp or is it a frank or like a window envelope? Because that tells me something about the sender. And two is, where have you written the address? Because if you were born before about 1972, yes, I am that old, you were taught at school how to write an envelope. I know it seems barely credible these days that that could be the case, but actually we were chatting to our work experience girl, who is 16 a few weeks ago, and she had never written an envelope in her life, never. She'd never had cause to write an address on an envelope, and even worse, she didn't know where to put the stamp. She thought the stamp went on top left, not top right. Why would they know? They've not been taught at school. So if a lady of a certain age receives an envelope with an address on from you, she's going to judge you by her education. And if you've written the address in the wrong place, or God forbid, put a stamp in the wrong place, then she's going to judge you harshly and negatively. So I'm going to tell you how to know where to put the address and why. Well, I've already told you why it's important. This is your envelope, larger than life. What I want you to do is take an envelope, you can do this in your team, and fold it in half, lengthways, like so. This is a DL envelope, which stands for, I did find out, dimension lateral or something, I don't know. That's that line there, I don't know if you can see the green on there. And then I want you to fold it into thirds, like so. 1, 2. And that is that line and that line. So you've got 6 boxes. There's only one box you should be writing the address in. And that box is box number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're probably starting to write up here or over there, but actually you should start writing there, just there. The old vicarage, just like that. Now, in my day, we used to indent each line, and if you were born before 1972, you're probably nodding right now. But actually, because of typewriters, newfangled invention as they were, and actually automated mail, then we started justifying down the left-hand side, which is now why you see most addresses written like that. Let me show you one we made earlier, like so. And you can see that's where the address goes in box 5. Hovering, isn't it? Hovering around there. I will speak to her. This is, actually looks like Edward's writing that. And then a stamp on the top right-hand side, just there. And that, my friends, is how to write an envelope. If you would like to find out much more than how to write an envelope, and you'd like to do it here in person, in this very room in fact, then we'd like to invite you to come along to see behind the scenes of Ashdown Jones. We have lots of events we run during the year that are open events for independent agents just like you who want to learn more tactics like writing envelopes and lots more besides, and how to grow your agency. And you'd also probably like a free lunch. Well, all that is available here at Ashdown Jones HQ in Windermere. All you need to do is go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events, see when the next one is, book on it, come and see us here. And by the way, there are great chips as well. Thank you for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.